This screencast is to demonstrate Yolink. Yolink is a way to search within your search results. Often when we use Google, we get so many search results and we have to click on each link and take a look and make a judgment call. And whether you're an adult or a student in school, it can take a long time. You're potentially looking for a needle in a haystack, and Yolink will do a lot of the legwork for you. So you'll notice in the top of my browser I have a button, a green button that says Yo on it. Next to it is a little arrow indicating a drop-down menu, and if I click on that you'll see there are some different things you can control, but I'm going to click on the Yolink button and it gives me a sidebar. It has a little bit of information left from the last search I did, but let's say I want to find some information about Benjamin Franklin, and I'm going to pick from this list that Google nicely gave me, and you notice that in my left-hand sidebar over here, Benjamin Franklin, the term or the words were automatically put in here. So I have all these results, right? Google even tells me I'm looking at 1 to 10 out of 17,600,000 searches. But if I come over to Yolink and I click on Find, what Yolink will do is, it says right here, it's scanning the links. It's actually going out to each of those links and looking at the page. So when I click on Find, it may take it a minute because there's 10 different pages in here, but you'll see slowly it's giving me details in the left-hand sidebar. And if I point at one, it actually indicates this is my first result, and on the right hand side in Google it also shows me which link that's referring to. Under this, it starts lettering paragraphs or areas of that web page. I never had to go out to the web page. Yolink went out, it looked at the page, and it brought back areas, complete sentences, paragraphs that contain Benjamin Franklin, and it's highlighted them for me. If I point at any of them, it will tell me that this is 1B that I'm pointing at right now, and it shows me on the right-hand side that's still referencing the Wikipedia article. Now, I would like to look at something that's not Wikipedia, so I'm just going to scan down a little arbitrarily, find another number. Let's see, here we go, number 4. If I point at it, The World of Benjamin Franklin, it shows me which link on the right it is if I want to go out to that page. And it starts to give me paragraphs so I can look and see that, this looks like a good page to me. In addition, what I really like about this is that you have this little toolbar up here where you can do some different things. And the reason that I'm doing this demonstration actually is for the connection between Yolink and Google Docs. So I've got this great tool Yolink which will search within my search results so that I can pick the best page for whatever I'm doing. And then in this button bar, I have the third button from the left is a little, almost like a pad of paper with a pencil, but it's for Google Docs. And when I click on it, it actually reminds me I didn't select anything. Don't include everything. No, I'm going to cancel that. And I'm going to just check off the number 4 here, which will automatically select and check off any letters that are under here. So it looks like there are a number of them, but not too much information. So I'm going to click on that button again, and I should get, yes, sometimes I have to click twice, but I get this window which asks me, it's telling me that what I'm doing is sharing my results using Google Docs. I can create a new doc, or I can open and actually append to an existing doc. If I choose that, down here where it's blank right now, it will show me all my documents, so I can pick the one where I want to put this information. But for now, I'm just going to create a new document. Since this is text, I do want it to be document, but I could change it to spreadsheet if that were appropriate. I'm going to name this Ben Franklin Research, so it'd be quite clear to me what it is, and I'm going to click on OK. Yolink, as you can see, is publishing the information. It gives us a status bar, but just so you know, prior to this, I had to log into my Google Docs account. So the first time you click on that button, if you're not logged in, it will make you log in. And if you've never connected Yolink to your Google Docs account before, it will make sure that you are allowing that to happen. And it automatically takes you into the document. So I can go back up to this green Yo button and hide the sidebar. And you can see that it gave me the title of the page with a link in it, the actual URL, and then all the paragraphs that contained Ben Franklin going down the page. So the reason that I like this so much is because it gives me the information I need in order to write a bibliography. And that's what I think is phenomenal. Yolink gives a tool for better searching, but it also gives you a place to store the information that you're going to need in the future. Easy to get back to it because we have this link here. And in addition, because Google Docs is collaborative, if you want to share your information with someone else, you can. Enjoy.